So it's a Saturday, guys, and on Saturdays I do not wake up early. I get so angry when my alarm goes off because I'm not a morning person. No. But yeah, just like the normal social media person I am, I check my phone first, notifications on Twitter, Instagram, and I stay on there for a while before reality hits me.
Let's be real. Let's be real. Let's be real. That scene where YouTubers record themselves sleeping and then turn off some alarm and then wake up. No, that's not what we are getting today.
Yeah, right. We are not getting that scene, blah blah blah. But you just recorded yourself sleeping. Let's be
I
serious.
have a lot of stuff to do today, so let's get straight to it. I have to wash my hair, I have to do some laundry, I have to do some cleaning, and let me take you guys through all of that. So, you're going to be spending a day with me. It's a Saturday, so it's a typical Saturday with me. So let's get straight to it.
After spending some time on my phone, like the social media person that I am, the next thing I do when I wake up in the morning is to get some toothpaste and then brush my teeth. And whilst I do that, I make sure to check my mails. Guys, this is very important. Do check your mails as often as you can. I'm a person that needs music to set her day, so I put on some music. I have this morning playlist, and then I play some music to just set my day. It can be upbeat, it can be cool, anything that I'm vibing to in the morning. Currently, I'm taking off my old sheets so I can go do my laundry. I would add some other stuff and then I would get to it. I'm going to be washing my hair today, so I'm going to take out all the products that I'll need for the process. I'll place them on my bed and then I'll get them later when I'm done with my laundry.
I'm going to do a hot oil treatment for my hair so that when it's cleaned and then I can do my laundry. And after that, I would wash my hair. Let me go pour the water, then do the hot oil treatment.
So, one thing that I do to make my hair grow and to strengthen my hair is a hot oil treatment. I don't know if I have naturalistas watching, but it's something that I add to my regimen to be doing. So right now I'm just going to microwave some water and then I would go put the oil in it so that I can do my hot oil treatment. So what I do next is to get some oil and pour it into an applicator bottle. Then I will place it in the warm water to just warm it for a while. Then I apply it to my hair. So before I do this, I spritz my hair with some water and then I apply the oil to my scalp and then all over my hair. I put a plastic rubber on my hair and then I place my bonnet on it so that whilst I do my laundry, I can have the hot oil treatment going on. And then when I'm done, I will take my shower. So right now I'm just going to get to doing my laundry and then move on with what I have to do for the rest of the day. So to pass time, I think I'm going to tell you guys a story about how I lost my first iPhone charger in my first year in school in architecture. So let's go. So when I got to first year, I wanted to be that serious student, the one who always stays in the studio, who all night, works hard, draws deep into the night, and then finishes all her assignments and then meets every single deadline. So I would spend time in the studio even on Saturdays. When no one's around, I would still go to the studio and then go and draw. I was in first year, and let me see, I was quite naive and clueless about how things worked in the studio. And I don't know if architecture students are watching, but then if you're an architecture student and you're watching, you know how dangerous it is when you are in the studio alone and you don't have any form of security, people to watch over your belongings when you're alone and when you are asleep. And yes, I did fall asleep. Yes, I know that was very careless of me, but I think I just passed out and I didn't realize. So when I woke up, I just went straight to the washroom. I went to pee and I even took selfies in front of the mirror that's in the washroom. If you guys know the washroom that's close to this BT, I'm not so sure, but there's a washroom around that area, and I even took selfies in there. I didn't even realize, and I had no idea that my iPhone was gone. I'm pretty sure the person that took it was spying on me when I was asleep and was just waiting for the opportunity to just come and take my phone and then my iPhone charger. But then my phone was very close to me, and I think I had it on my lap, and I had in an earpiece. So obviously, pulling it out and then pulling my phone would disrupt my sleep and then cause me to wake up. So the only thing that the person was able to make away with was my iPhone charger. But now iClear voice mode activated. So here's a quick update, guys. I'm done with my laundry, I'm done with the cleaning, and what I have to do next is go wash my hair and then take a shower. I'm killing two birds with one stone because it does take a long time for me to wash my hair. So I'll do everything in the shower. I would have to make some food next, so I'll be done with my day, kind of. I would also have to go for my stuff off the drying line because I'm pretty sure by now they're dry. So yeah, let's get to it. But it can talk to me. Hi guys, how's it for real? I'm done bathing now, guys, so I'll just put on an outfit. I think just go with these baggy pants because I want to. I know they are very big, but there's a drawstring so I can make it fit. And I'll just go with this top. Yep. I mean, are you really watching my video if you don't see an outfit transition? I don't really do much. Just use some water. Let's spray some water. So I washed my hair and then deep conditioned it and put it in quick cornrows. That's a lot of activity. I didn't put it on camera. That would have been too much of a lengthy video for you guys, so I just cut it off and then I just moisturized it after I'm done with all of that so I could go take my stuff off the drying line. So now I'm putting on new sheets. I'll just lay it and then go get something to eat when I'm done. Now that I have fresh sheets,
So I have my kontonmire, and then I have my tomatoes. I have some eggs and some onions, and then mackerel, salt, yeah, and oil. So let's just get to it. I'm pretty hungry. So you see, there are different ways that people make their kontonmire stew or palava sauce or whatever. I'm going to make it this way, where you have to grind and then fry. Yeah, that way. Not the grind and then eat from the earthenware, but the grind and then fry with some eggs. Okay, so but ooh, my god, see the way the light is hit. The sun is hitting, like, damn, I need to get my thumbnail woke. Okay, yeah. Ooh. My god, look at the material. Look at that. I find that, period. Hey, imagine how cry na eduan grandma no. Let me get to it, okay.
So I'm making some rice and kontonmire stew. And the first thing I'll do is to boil my kontonmire because I'm going to be grinding later. So I boil it with some pepper. I'm going to grind all of that and then add some salt and kobe to taste. And I'll just chop my onions and then tomatoes and make a little stew that I would add the kontonmire to when I'm done.
These are a lot of onions when if I cook food, the onions are not plenty.
So I would fry some mamoni in oil and then I would wash my earthenware and then get ready to grind the kontonmire. I would add the onions and then the tomatoes to let it fry with the mamoni. Then I'll come and add my grinded kontonmire to it. So I grind some pepper and then onions and then the kontonmire. Pour my oil in the stew, stir it, and the kontonmire would go.
Okay guys, so I know the lighting has changed and that's because the sun is setting right now, so I'm still on it. I'll be done soon, then I can go eat. But then I've grinded my kontonmire. The stew is also almost done, so I'll just add it to it, add some eggs, and then we're good to go.
So the last thing I add to the stew is some eggs. I spread it and then stir it after a while because I leave it to boil. Then I add the kontonmire.
Finally done now, guys. After all the hustle and bustle trying to make some food to eat, I'm finally done. I've dished it out. I cooked the rice, so guys, I'm finally done and this is it. Please, nobody should talk about my rice. I'm really hungry. It's a lot, I know, but yeah, I'm really tired too. Wow, they even spilled the juice.
So I would take my food upstairs right now, and I'm even wondering how I'm balancing this and then recording at the same time. Life of a YouTuber.
You guys have no idea how fulfilled I am. I've been able to do my laundry, I've been able to wash my hair, I've been able to do some cleaning, and I've made some good food. Very well, thank you for this. What's they do? I feel so fulfilled, like this is so good. Thank you so much, guys. If you love this video, kindly give me a like, comment below what you want to see next, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be much more consistent, and yeah, that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. Cheers.